Greetings, this is Junior Morgan of Bob Marley and the Wailers. The time has come for the lion to tell his story. And we have here the lion voice. So listen in and get nourishment for the stomach and for the head cup. Jah, Rastafari.
Give thanks.
Give thanks and praise.
What do you have to tell the people about Rastafari?
Light to the world. King of kings and the conquering line of the tribe of Judah. I like himself. Where's rightful ruler? Hey yo! Hey, hail them high, hail the black king on the 23rd of July. So tell them guy who praise God up in the sky, it's a lie. The Almighty living on your night. From ancient time them a try. Them Romans know them just open them suit and ties. Criminals ain't got no alibi, they stole my people. Then them come without them genocide.
Are you talking about slavery?
Them couldn't kill the lion way come conquer Judah tribe. Go through tribulation, and I strive, see sufferation, and I still rise. That's why we tell them in America, live Rastafari in every ghetto area. We come to tell them in a Toronto, straight and east.
Rastafari got all of the love, man. Rastafari got the love, you know. You understand? Because Rastafari words alone, Rastafari speak. It speaks to the God in the flesh, it speaks to the God in the heart. To the heart of a humble. Even Satan knows one God, it grieves him, but yet it's still like a humble and knows that if you see a wicked man I do a good out there stuff, I'm sure he knows that one God. And the God now man say, yo, do that, man, do that. I compel him. But otherwise, I'm not in wicked deeds, so I come up and thinking of my own mind. You understand me? But if I follow him heart, I find some heart that I accept what is good. And always accept what is right. I feel comfortable and rejoice with it. So that's the level, you know? Rastafari come with the love there, the complicity there, the humbleness, the meekness, the kindness there, the tenderness there, the word sound there, where humble the soul. You know, so that's what Rastafari always been known for, you know, the whole of the love. You know, so we need to get back the gumminess there so we can spread the love amongst ourselves, you know.
Yes.
So on the journey, I saw the journey set, you know, till I, you know, chat Bobo Shanti and, you know, start learn the order now and start.
So 1995 you went up to Bobo Hill first, or when was the first time?
Yeah, the first time at Bobo Hill I want to leave back from this.
You know, leave from them time there. So talk to us about you know, the type of violence that happens in these communities, because I really want to. We're gonna talk about one love.
In the community, there's some youth them and some others said that youth them from Buckers and Beans Road. An incident happened where a girl must get raped and then say Beans Road man raped the girl, and from just the man them who thought them rape come there come kill a youth, and from this and
okay.
Kills the start from two sides of the road, they start spread who take side, this community take side, who take this, and then the youth them now we just left just in the high school, left high school yet. Just in the high school right now. You understand me? The world bust out in them head now and realize that yo them need things and I'm a bad man and them need them gun and
so this is an active war zone. This is an active war zone we describe.
The war zone, 16 rifle bust, AK-47 bust, gun bust. You understand me? People have stay for the road, people are dead minutely, secondly. You understand me? From all angles. You understand me? Because the war get dirty now.
The war get dirty.
Real dirty where whole of people start drop out. You understand?
So the eye was able to move around even in the midst of this war. I want to explain.
Even in the midst of it, we move around. We can move around freely. You understand?
So the power.
Some youth are going to check on another community. We're far from that community there. But yet, more time youth them there around me. And as I say, I be a youth around me. You understand me? I be a youth from all bow. You understand me? Every different section of the community, youth are come check because youth know me and I'm come check from a black color.
The eye become a safe zone. The eye become a safe
black, even I and I father. I father, because I call him I virgin father who take care of I as his son. You understand me? Tell him son and daughter and say, yo, I'm Sunday. You understand me? These virgin, them man they say, yo, when we come from we black, instead of one come in the yard, you know, when the police come stop and can smoke and weed in there. You understand me? No other else father do. You understand me? A weed, a yard there, our yard. So any youth come from them, come test them. ask them, no, they must find him. And that's the debate.
That become like a safety zone in the war zone.
Naturally.
So this is important, Priest Toot, because you might take it for granted, but the people out in the world have to know the role that Rastafari plays in terms of making Jamaica a safe. It's an outlet for inner city youths who have little options. You know, it's either crime, you know, there's not a lot of employment. And this is why we want to empower Rastafari, that we could even start employing some of these youths and give them alternative routes, because the respect is there. You hear the brethren say, he's in the middle of a war zone, he's cooking ital for the youths and introducing them to healthy things, giving them healthy reasoning. Is a refuge for both war side. Them know say them can check the Bobo, and the Bobo are going to give them love. It's a very important thing, Priest Toot. You know, we really have to give thanks. So take us from 95 now and where the journey took the heights.
From 95, the journey took us straight into the Bobo order, Melchizedek order, you know, the high priest order, the order of Melchizedek, you know. So then I start beginning to learn the Melchizedek order, you know, by being first a crown, get crowned by priests them, then start the Psalms reading, start the order as a prophet to learn to be a priest. So from this time I have to go Psalms reading 3 times a day, I have to go roll call, I have to attend service, Sabbath service 2 times, so I know all of the order that takes place in the yard. So I have to attend these things as a prophet for months and learn them, learn over 80 courses and learn them.
This is fascinating to I and I, because one of the things I admire about the Bobo Shanti order is the discipline, you know, because what the I is describing is really an onboarding process where the I had to go through different stages of learning, you know, as the I knowledge. Adjust the I screen there, fire, so we can see the I full face. Yes, Yes, I. Yeah, man, beautiful.
As being a prophet, you know, I have to learn everything. We learn to build broom, learn how to go cook firewood, go for water, learn to cook, learn to minister to people, learn to order the Bible, to read the Bible and translate it with clarity, without no objection. Everything has been taught there that Bobo Hill is Jerusalem schoolroom.
It's a schoolroom. Yeah, man, it's serious.
Teach to read, the teacher to write, the teacher everything. They come there, you can't read and write, you will learn to read and write. Even by the Bible, every day. Every day 21 Psalms read. Every day 21 Psalms read.
Powerful.
Every day you must learn that you're gonna get out to learn to write by administrator and taking on people name, writing on this, writing on that, so they start learn to write, they learn to read, they start to learn from the elephant, as well as the end of a priest. Because order is leading them to be a priest. There's a priestful order.
Well, I listen to the first, the Almighty. And this is the Jazz Match Kwasi. Where there are set thrones of judgment to judgment, thrones of the house of the great King David. I shall pray for the peace of Ethiopia. May peace be within thy walls and prosperity within thy palaces. Well, don't cry tears. The Lion of Judah shall break all their chains. Face your fears. The passage of time can heal all of our pain. Use your eyes and ears so you can see and hear all of their games. See your peers everywhere. Most man a struggle, but the times are the same. Them got a slave mentality, slave reality, slave you for salary. Plus police, them full of partiality. For personalities, we fight principalities. And powers we no care about humanity. Them work for vanity, it's all insanity. Most people just want some autonomy. Them will kill your family if you build them economies.